San Diego Connect.
Hi, Bill Griffith back to talk about ongoing research for type 2 diabetes with AMCR Institute of San Diego, a worldwide leader in medical research. Carmen Ostermeier is Chief Development Officer for AMCR. And Carmen, let's talk about the folks who are the patients' caregivers, who take care of them at home. It's a lot for them to handle.
It's a lot for them to handle. That's why I usually not only name them caregivers, but they are carrying the burden of a chronic disease for their loved ones.
They really are, and it's interesting, people don't think about a research study in engaging the caregivers with it, but at AMCR it's exactly what you do.
Exactly what we do, because we would welcome everybody who wanna or who is part of the team taking care of a diabetic, that they know what's going on. So they are highly welcomed to come to all the educational parts that happening in a clinical trial setup, to witness it themselves. It will help the both of them. It's not only the patient itself, it's the caregiver as well that can come to us and get this educational tool.
So clearly you're not just looking at an enrollee or a volunteer, as you call them, as just somebody to take part in research. You're really caring for this individual right along with the carrying giver, as it were. That person who has to take care of that enrollee, that volunteer at home, really has some extra struggles, don't they?
They have some extra struggles, because if they love their loved ones, you know, they want to see them thriving. Mm-hmm. And knowing more about their conditions and what they could possibly do at the simplest way to not complicate this helps the entire situation getting better.
Helps with mobility at home, with nutrition, which is a big thing, I know.
Yes, all of this impacts a metabolic disease like diabetes,
yeah.
And therefore learning a little bit and not kind of going by a strict catalog, but learning how you can simplify and do better is everything you need.
Now, one thing we're going to touch on, I know we'll talk about more later, is how you can actually prevent the onset or the increase in type 2 diabetes.
You know, if you're diagnosed already, then you can possibly, you know, prevent the complications by a better treatment. If you are not diagnosed yet, you can even prevent getting diabetes by simply knowing a little bit how you can adjust your habits.
Find out how to enroll or volunteer with AMCR Institute by going to 877-567-2627 or myamcr.com.